Scheduling of works can be a challenge for managers. Clients are coming with numerous last-minute requests, programs are changing rapidly, so does the specification of works. Equally, this is a tough job for the employees who will actually carry out the works based on the instructions taken. It feels like a chain, really. Communications and challenges from clients to managers and then down to the actual engineers on site. And even though managers might work constantly with systems like Kompass, the employees on site might not. This is a tutorial then for all those employees who, even though might not do much planning themselves, they will have to receive, review, understand and further record their tasks. Pretty important things to do, really. Let us start with a reviewing of the scheduling tasks.